birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, come on.
At least it's going to feel like it when we get home. What is it? What is it? The most awesomest ever.
Not the most, but awesome.
It's the most. Captain America is the coolest.
Captain America here. Never give up. Let's go. Hydra's. Let's go. Hydra's going down.
What do you think?
Cool.
Turn around so we can see it. All I see is the, there you go.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Uncle Frank.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
Frank.
So what's the one you don't have? You just don't have Tony Stark, right?
No, I need Black Widow.
You need Black Widow.
Oh, I thought you didn't want the girl.
It's just because it's a girl, I really don't want it.
Oh.
What about Hawkeye? You don't have Hawkeye either, do you?
No.
So you need Hawkeye and Black Widow and Iron Man, right?
Yeah. Wait. When it comes to being an awesome Neptune, you're always hitting out of the park. Have a grand, fantastic birthday, Uncle Frank. Thank you, Uncle Frank.
You're welcome.
And the final, the last but not least.
Oh, it's not the last. I've got presents for you at our house when we get home. And we're going over to Graham's in a little while. You'll have presents there.
This
Card first, please.
this is from Poppy.
The bane of every child's existence. Why don't you flip it over? There you go. There you go. Ooh.
Grandson. Spider-Man, actually, with a spectacular grandson like you around birthday fun, there's absolutely no chance of escaping. You hope you have an incredible day. Love, your Poppy. Thank you, Poppy.
You're welcome.
Now for the open.
Dun dun dun. What could it be? What could it be?
And it's not.
Oh,
I knew it! You told me it wasn't.
I didn't tell you it wasn't. I mean,
Mom did.
Oh.
why do you keep calling me Noni?
I don't know.
Hold it up so I can see. Right side up. I can't see the box.
To the box, Bob. Bring it down.
Upside down. There you go. Okay?
Yeah.
Why don't we leave that one in the box?
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. All right, good job. Yay.
You got them all. That means your wish will come true. What'd you wish for?
To get.
Don't tell. Don't tell.
Yeah, you're not allowed to tell your wishes.
Tell, then it won't come true.